Gonna start on low, Luke? Yeah, on low. All of them. Okay. So let's put it low here. This is actually our Lasko. Come on, how they say it, Luke? The Lasko rundown? Yeah? Okay. So they're on slow. Look, I'm afraid the spooky fan is gonna fall off. Okay. They're all connected and ready to. Whoa! Wanna turn it off? And see which one is faster? Yeah? Turn off. Okay, you got it. Good job, everything. Oh, let's see who's gonna be the first one. Never turn it on. Yay! Alright, so now let's let it roll and see which one's gonna stop first. Turn it off, Amber. Alright, now let's see which one's gonna finish first. You think that one? What about you, Luke? The black one, purple, the colorful one, or the spooky one? The spooky? Yeah, that one stopped first. The spook is still going. The spooky fan won! Yay! Oh. Purple Lasko, black Lasko. There was a white Lasko that made it colorful. There was a white Lasko that we made it spooky. Turn it on, Amber. Alright, look at that. Oh, look at that, Lukey. Alright, let's do another spin down to see which one is the faster and then the slowest one. É ou não é, Luke? É ou não é, Luke? É, isso aí. Vamos lá. É ou não é, Luke? É, então vamos lá. Another spin down, Lasko spin down. Let's see which one is the first to stop. Well, we already saw. Let's see if it remains the same. Which one stops first? Purple, then the black one, then it was the colorful one, and the spooky one is the fastest one again. The spooky is the fastest. Well, the slowest one is the purple, then the colorful one, then the black one, and then the spooky. At least on this race. Let's do it again. Yeah. Let's do another spin down. Let's turn it on first. Alright, let's do another spin down, right? To see which one is faster. Pay attention, right? So we can know the order. É ou não é, Luke? É ou não é? É ou não é? É, então vamos lá. And spin down. Alright, let's see. Off. All of of them, yeah? All of it. Turn them, all of them off. Alright, let's see. First one, purple. Then black. And color. Well, the colorful one won this time. Am I right, Luke? I think it was first one to stop purple, then the black, then the spooky, and then colorful.